Hi, Paul here. Today's car is a Toyota Corolla. Saw this one on the sprint rally just out of town. Looks like it's got a nice colour scheme, paint job, and as you can see, people don't always want to be filmed with the car, but yeah, that's fine. It's no problem. It's their car in the end. Slightly different fact. Don't know if you've heard it said. Apparently, people who have green cars are supposed to be intelligent. Not sure if this fact is true or not, but I don't actually have a green car myself. I have owned probably one, but mostly red cars. But I think that they had a bit of fun anyway. Hope you enjoy.
Go back and another 3 foot.
Cheers. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you liked it. Feel free to comment or subscribe, and stay safe.